isn't really any typical day in my job.
It's always something different every day.
I'm there to be a face of water to our community.
I've had the benefit of working for a small system, which means you get exposed to all sorts of disciplines.
And I've had the opportunity to speak to many different professionals. I've learned how to write a technical report. I've learned the way that water systems work, not only ours, but other systems as well.
I'm interested in hands-on activities, I'm definitely not a kind of guy that wants to work in an office building.
There's a lot of opportunities you can go with this job.
To be able to do just about anything that you wanted to do.
I'm a water treatment plant crew leader. Basically what I do is I assign the operators their duties for the week, for the day. I make repairs in the chem plant, also in the filter houses.
And then I would work with the cross connection, and I would also work with the meter maintenance. And so I've been doing a lot of different things.
I'm the operations engineer for the Concord Water and Sewer Division, and that entails any engineering that needs to be done for either the treatment or distribution system, or the sewer collection system or wastewater treatment plant.
My responsibilities include taking care of the treatment plants, making sure the chemicals are all kept up on a daily basis, make sure the pumps are running and clean.
Some days I'm in the office a lot, I'm working at my computer, so there's quite a bit of office work involved, but then other days I'm out in the field. Typically in the summer I'm out in the field a lot more when we have construction projects going on.
We collect samples from the drinking plants so we can test the fluoride and the pH to make sure it's within the state guidelines.
So you as an operator going out every day, you're checking chlorine levels.
Making sure the water's okay, the tank levels are all set.
You're checking how much water is being pumped, you're checking all of the consumption, and you're really testing all of that to make sure that the water is optimal, it's safe to drink, safe for everybody.
I can remember when I first came into the industry, if you got one good sample in a 24-hour period, you're fine. Now it's 15-minute readings. Every one has to be correct.
As an environmental and regulatory coordinator, I make sure that the town of Concord adheres to the state and federal regulations to maintain safe drinking water.
The industry has gotten much more demanding as far as water quality through the EPA and the DEP in Massachusetts. All these requirements mean we have to be more aware of what goes on in the treatment plant and react quickly because we can't go out of compliance.
And that's pretty important when you think about thousands of people are relying on this.
If you like chemistry, in the lab over at Reservoir 6 we have microbiologists, we have an organic chemist, we have a lab administrator.
Whether it's working out in the field on repairing the distribution system, working in a laboratory, doing the water quality analysis, working as a supervisor, overseeing the plant operations.
The abilities to understand regulations and policies and the technical aspects of drinking water.
Part of what I do here at the treatment plant is I work with computers. Our SCADA system gives us a synopsis of what our overall system is doing. We have it tied into our filter beds, we have it tied into our chemical plant. It's more than just treating the water.
You can go anywhere. It can branch out in anywhere you want.